Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel WG News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about USA economy adds 208,000 new jobs and unemployment rate ticks up to 4.1%. Once again, I say welcome back. If you're new viewers and old viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest update. Stay connected with me, like and share my video. The US economy created and higher than expected 208,000 new jobs in June while the unemployment rate ticked up, offering a mixed assessment of the current labor market at a time when the broader economy is showing signs of cooling down. In the first 6 months of 2024, the US economy created around 1.3 million new jobs, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Last month, the unemployment rate ticked up to 4.1%, up from a percent in May. The market and pencil in a reading of 4% average hourly earning, each to 3.9% year over years, down from 4.1%. This was in line with economists and expectations. On a monthly basis, average hourly earning rose 0.3%, down from 0.4%, which also matched forecast. The labor for participation state age up to 62.6% from 62.5%. Average weekly, however, were unchanged and 34.3. The government was the top job creator last month, adding 7,000 and new positions. This was followed by healthcare 49,000, social assistance and 34,000, and construction 27,000. And the number of people working to earn more jobs type to 8.34 million of addition. The number of long-term unemployed surged by moreover, the difference between US and foreign bond works and persisted last month. From June 2023 to June 2024, jobs from a foreign bond worker increased by more than 1.1 million. Employment and opportunities from native bond work fell by nearly 1 million in this span. As for revisions, the change in total payrolls for April was adjusted down by 57,000 to employment gains in May are revised. The US financial makers felt little change following the employment data, with the leading and benchmark index recording modest gain before the opening bell, and Treasury yield were mostly in the red as the benchmark 10 years yield tumbled to a 4.31%. The 2 years chart fell below 4.65%, while the 13 years bond slide under net 4.5%. The US dollar index DXY, a huge of back against a basket of currencies, and declined below 0.49 after the monthly job report, as the job arena shows sign of weakening. Market watchers and anticipate that this could future support the case from the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates. Given the downward revision, their previous job estimates, and combined with a slight increase in the unemployment rate to 4.1%, the labor market appears to be a weakening. Stand by Rishi Doshi, their senior vice and president and a senior portfolio manager, a sit in investment aside in a note. We expect Jal to move lower as this report keeps the Fed in schedule to cut rates this year. After our base case is a 5 hops cut, 15 hops cut after the elections. Mark Hambrick, the senior economics analyst and a functionary, argued that this was the type of report the Fed would want to see, with the Federal Reserve seeing inflation data in the statistical neighborhood of where it wants to be. It is expected to cut interest rates in September. It started in a report if the job market continue to cool. Rain inflation allows the central bank to shift some of its attention away from the stable prices part of is a mandate to a in interesting focus on the other issue, which is a maximum employment. Fed officials have insisted that they will be continue to wait for more evidence that inflation is heading toward its 2% target before pulling the trigger on a rate graduations. According to the CME, Fed fast to the investor are considering in their first rate cut to the September policy meeting. Traders are also split on whether the central bank will cut release one of more which before the year is finished. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.